Priya Prakash, thanks so much for your time. As the entire internet and the entire country perhaps is only talking about this 18-year-old, what does it feel to be like one?
I think I should give the whole credit to the internet because people wouldn't have recognized me if the social media wouldn't be trending. So I think I should give the whole credit to the internet and the social media and the people for loving me and supporting me.
Okay, if I were to know a little bit more about you, who are you? How will you describe yourself? Have you been in cinema acting for a few years, or is this your first venture? And okay, let me ask you that question again. Who are you?
I'm actually from Thrissur district in Kerala. I'm 18 years old. I'm doing my BCom first year in Vimla College, Thrissur. I've learned classical dance till 10th grade, and I'm learning singing also right now. And I've done 3 short films before, and this is my first movie. That's it.
Okay, so and you know one thing that if I were to talk about this particular sequence and the exchange of glances and the eye contact that happens between the two of you, was it part of a script?
Yeah.
How did you go about it? Was it choreographed?
No.
Was it choreographed?
No, it was not. It was not pre-planned actually. The director just wanted to capture some sort of a cute mannerism between me and the hero. So he just asked me if I can do the eyebrow thing and wink at him. So it was all spontaneous. I hadn't practiced or it wasn't pre-planned. It was on the spot.
Okay, so in case if it was all on the spot, you know, there is a kind of role reversal that happens between you and the actor. A girl usually doesn't wink at a boy. How did you go about doing that? Initiate the first wink, if I may say.
Yeah. I think that was a very brave move, and I think there's nothing like girls shouldn't wink or anything. Even girls can wink. Why should boys have all the fun?
Absolutely. Why should boys have all the fun? On that note, Priya, just tell me, you have been catapulted to a level where it's over 1 million, right? Instagram followers, several thousands already on Twitter. So is it increasing by every minute and an hour? How does it feel? You know, did you get up in the morning and you were getting calls saying that all of a sudden it has happened? How did it happen?
Yeah, actually I did not check my Instagram status or anything. So my friends kept updating me, Priya 1 million, Priya 2 million. So they're the ones who are updating me about my Instagram status. I'm not actually very worried about it or anything. I just don't know how to handle it actually.
So what are your parents saying?
My parents are very happy, but as I said, we do not know how to handle all this all of a sudden. So it's so new.
Okay, Priya, if I speak, what were you trying to convey?
I was trying to convey that I'm interested.
Okay, but you made the first wink. So you were interested before the boy got interested in you.
Yeah, but then, yeah, maybe that's a gesture to ask him if he was interested.
So, okay, Priya, you know, we are living in a time where girls are reprimanded for dancing, singing, not drinking. They're supposed to be not drinking alcohol. They're supposed to be wearing a particular set of clothes. Do you think your wink speaks it's a political wink? It speaks volumes of the kind of girl that you are.
Yeah.
Are you a rebellious kind? Do you believe that women should not stand? Why should women be told to do certain things?
I wouldn't call myself rebellious, but then I do believe in equality.
So what okay, let me frame it a little differently. At a time when the girls are told not to drink, they are supposed to be in a particular box.
Yeah.
And your wink is also, it's a form of protest. It is being seen as girls taking their liberty to a different level. How does it feel? What exactly were you trying to convey through that wink?
I don't know. I think girls should be more brave and confident about who they are. No need to be put in a box or anything of that sort. I should feel positive about myself and feel good about myself. So that's it.
Should anybody dictate to you what you should wear, what you should drink?
No, I don't think so. We too have rights to decide what to do, what we want from our lives. So I don't think anybody should dictate it.
Do you think your wink will be a message to all those girls? Please go out and have all the fun that you have been talking about. Why should boys have all the fun?
Definitely. Girls should be brave enough to stand up and do what they think is right.
And is this a political message through winking?
No. I wouldn't call it a political message or anything of that sort. It's just that everyone should feel good about themselves and do what they find is right. That's it.
Okay, so there's a lot of, I'm sure, you're being talked about a lot. There'll be a lot of, people who will perhaps tease you also to wink.
Yeah.
I should ask you to come up with those expressions and perhaps wink for the audience of Epicenter.
So should I be winking?
Yes, please.
Should I wink at the camera?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And the movement of the eyebrows as well.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm done.
Again. No, once again. On popular demand.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so tell me, did your Bharatnatyam or the training in dance help you get the eye movements right?
Yeah, I definitely think so. Yeah. Classical dance always helps you to express a lot, so yeah.
What next for Priya Prakash? You're 18, you have a long way to go.
Yeah.
And you're already a household name perhaps in India.
I would like to continue acting only, and also at the same time I would like to take my studies along and then also my singing. So I would like to go to different industries and do a bunch of good movies.
Okay, tell me, last question to you before I let you go. Which is one actor who perhaps got the winking right and you copied that winking style from that actor?
I don't think any actor did the winking thing anywhere near. I don't remember actually anybody doing the winking thing. I don't know.
No?
No, I don't remember anybody. No, I don't remember anybody winking actually.
You don't. But you're winking. What if you are known as winking Priya Prakash? The girl who winks rightly. She has got the right wink. She can wink just perfectly.
I would like to be known as a good actress rather than being the wink queen.
Okay, Priya, all the best for your career.